Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set any pic as a folder icon. See, this is one folder. It default have file icon. Okay. Now I want to set our logo as a folder icon for this folder. Okay. Actually, it's okay. Fine. I can't directly set any PNG or JPEG to that this folder. I need to convert it first. For that, we can use Paint application. Open your PNG or JPEG file in Paint application. Okay. Now I need to save it as BMP picture. Okay. That's it. Yeah, it's dot BMP. Teglog folder icon. Now save. Yeah, it's saved. See guys, this is .pmp format. Now I think sorry guys, I'm going to rename it. Actually, I'm already done it. That's why it's changed automatically. Now I'm creating new folder. Let's see. Tag log. Yeah, tag log. Now I'm going to change this. So I selected this folder. Now right click. I'm going to properties. Now customize tab. Now change icon. Now browse. Yeah, it's pop-up window. Share. You should choose all files. Yeah, this one. Open. Okay. Click apply guys. Okay. Then okay. Yeah, see. Now it's changed. If you directly click OK means after closing it you need to refresh it. Then only it will update this folder. You can follow these steps for other folders means any folders guys. Okay, first prepare the pic means you need to convert JPEG PNG to BMP file. For that you can use inbuilt paint application. Then go to properties, customize tab, then change icon. You can choose the converted pic, then click apply and okay. That's it guys. By this way you can set any pic as a folder icon. This is Windows trick. It will only applies for Windows any version. It will definitely work, guys. If it is not working means please let me know in comment section and also mention the Windows version. I will definitely help you. For more tech related videos, stay tuned on our YouTube channel. Bye.